This is Porteus, a very fast and portable Linux distribution that's based on Slackware. It comes in a variety of desktop environments to choose from, and all versions are available in 32-bit and 64-bit architectures. I'll use the XFCE version for this video. These are the virtual machine specs. Porteus is impressively fast, even in comparison with other Linux distros that are way smaller in size. I've had an issue when installing Porteus on the VM drive. It installs successfully and all, but it does boot only once from the hard drive. Then when I try to reboot, for example, it says no operating system is installed. It does the same on VirtualBox as well. I couldn't figure out what's the issue. If you know a solution to this, feel free to leave a comment and I'll pin it. But either way, I'll show you the install process. Open Porteus installer. The default password for root is the following. Use gparted to set up a partition. Create a partition table, create a new partition, then confirm changes. Now mount the created partition on the installer window. Select it and click on Next. Click on Accept, then you have a choice to install a bootloader, then click on Next. When it finishes copying files, type OK on this window, and you're pretty much done. Now reboot, remove the install media, and it should boot from the hard drive. This is its resource usage. It uses around 530 megabytes of RAM on idle and around 1.1 gigabytes of disk space. This is all the applications that come with Porteus. It doesn't come with a pre-installed web browser, so we need to use the browser selection and update tool to install a browser. Select a web browser, then it'll run an install command. We need to switch to another user, so we can move the Firefox XZM file. Type the following commands. Now move the XZM file from the temp folder to the modules folder. Double-click on the file, and it'll be activated. Now it'll appear on the apps list. This is its resource usage when playing a YouTube video on Firefox. XFCE desktop and overall theme/appearance are very customizable. That's pretty much it for Porteus.